Are you looking for a quick and easy weeknight recipe that is sure to be a home run? Are you tired of the same old dinner recipes that are boring and never satisfying? Well, let's put a stop to the weeknight madness. In this video, you will learn how to make a pan-seared lemon salmon recipe that any 5-star recipe would envy. I often hear people telling me they find it difficult to cook fish or even salmon. Well, the trick is to sear it first in order to lock in all those juices. And then add liquid to cook it down for approximately 3 to 4 minutes. Remember, fish cooks in no time at all. You will also want to remove your salmon from the pan and cook your veggies separately in order to avoid overcooking your fish. Vegetables and fish do not cook at the same time, so please avoid adding them to the pan when cooking your fish. Now hit that like button if you're ready to create a deliciously light and bright dinner meal in no time at all. Now, let's get cooking. Now, wasn't that easy? I particularly like the lemon zest in this recipe because it gives the salmon a wonderful aroma and fragrance. The artichoke and the spinach balance it out perfectly, and voila! You have a healthy and tasty balanced meal in absolutely no time at all. So move over, take out, and make room for recipes you can feel good about creating. Please consider adding this quick and easy meal to your weeknight routine. By doing so, you'll know that you're eating healthy, delicious food that you can be absolutely proud of. So, I hope you enjoyed this video, and remember to hit the subscribe button in order to access great recipes and content like this. Do it. Your taste buds and body will thank you for it.